Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch this Runic lobster in Fish It Roblox. So the Runic lobster is one of the most mysterious additions to the latest update in Fish It. And here I'm going to show you the Runic altar location, the exact time of day it spawns, and the secret magic bait you need to pull this mythical crustacean from the depths. Now let's just get started. So for the location, you can fish the Runic lobster inside the ancient ruin. And here I'm going to show you my spots. This is where I got the Runic lobster the most, in front of this roots right here. And I'm using my best rod, the element rod, and also the singularity bait as the combo. So try your luck to get this crustacean lobster. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.